Venerable Bhante, and my dear brothers and sisters. Little bit nervous I am because of my English is not mother tongue. So English you will understand, please. So I am very pleased to be here, and I am going to say few words about the Golden Rainbow. First of all, I am very thankful to Bodhisattva Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and Venerable Bhante because of they shown us this Buddhist path. So, about the Golden Rainbow. It started 1986 by UK Dhamma Brothers. And since then, more than 100 order members visited here. I came 12 years ago, and now this is my second time. Here I would like to thanks to whoever involved in the Golden Rainbow since 1986. And this time, thank you very much to Abhaykirti, Mahamati, Vimalnath, Sujiva, and Amrutdeep also, who are organized this thing. Actually, I don't know actually what exactly about the rainbow. What is the Golden Rainbow? But I can imagine of the rainbow which brings two places together. That's why maybe they gave this name Golden Rainbow. Whenever we see the rainbow, it looks very beautiful. And there is a more beautiful colors. Our order also to similar like the rainbow colors. We speak different languages. We are coming different backgrounds, different food, different culture, different manners, different food, health awareness, hygiene. And when I think about the health and hygiene, in India, some parts of the India, if you go to Rajasthan, there is nobody know about what is the meaning of hygiene. So I am learning here. So still we have so many differences. Still we are coming together and practicing together, sitting together, practicing of silence together. Sincerity also, when I go to in my dorm, so somebody said that, please can you talk softly? I am learning these things also. So we have many differences, still we are coming together because of the three jewels, because of the Buddha, because of the Bhante, because of the Sangha, because of the Babasaheb. So many people behind us. They are great people. And little bit I had experience in the last women's convention. Beginning of the women's convention, really, Parmi did very nice. She was welcomed us very nicely. And end of the convention, Parmi asked us to chant Transform of Merits in your own language. And really such a wonderful events. I was so inspired doing this and listening others also. We all are beautiful like that rainbow. And I would say in the inverted comma, diversity in the unity. When we arrived to UK Heathrow Airport, Vimalnath came and welcomed us in Indian style. He brought food and water. He knows very well. Thank you very much to him. And then he gave the pocket money to spend here. And I asked, what is this, Vimalnath? And Vimalnath was saying, this is pocket money spent here. And at that time, my eyes was tearful. In my childhood, my father was giving like a 1 penny. I can't say 1 penny even also, maybe 1/4 of the 1 penny. After my father died, nobody gave me the like pocket money. Nobody. Here expenses is very high. 5 pounds, 6 pounds. At once, we drink a cup of tea or snacks or lunch or dinner. But this 5 pounds, 6 pounds, in India, some people's are salary. So you can imagine how is the difference financial. I am working in Dhammajyoti project as well as the member of women ordination team in India. Still I can't think and I can't imagine to come here, to come UK. 12 years ago I came here. After that, I was not able to come here also. And I can't think I am not able to come here also. Coming to UK, this is nice dream for me. And it dreams come true. I am very fortunate to got this opportunity to come and share my experience with you through the Golden Rainbow. We are here and sharing experience in this international convention. Example, the day before yesterday, we did puja in Indian style. Through our Indian style, Indian culture, and we are learning to each other, experiencing. Whatever I learned directly, indirectly, in this visit, that all credit go to all of you. Because you all are very generous with the Golden Rainbow. Golden Rainbow is working very hard and provide this opportunity for the Indians to come here and share experience. I am very much thankful to all of you on behalf of all my Indian brothers and sisters. Please, with big hands, put together for the Golden Rainbow. Please keep helps us in this way. I hope that you all are very generous towards the Golden Rainbow. And if you want to see us every international convention, then you have to step forward and support the Golden Rainbow. Without your support, Golden Rainbow can't do anything. So, my dear brothers and sisters, I am looking forward. During the lunch hour, people standing at dining hall near the doors, you can see and take notice where is a people of Golden Rainbow. Please help us. Thank you very much. Yours, Dhamma Sister. Jai Bhim.